morning, it's Jolene from Stitchery Decor, and today I'm going to give you a private little loop around my craft booth from the Millarville Christmas market. So I'm going to flip the camera around and let's get going. Okay guys, we're back here with Stitchery Decor and I'm live from the Millarville Christmas market. So I just wanted to give you guys an updated look at my booth for this year, which has progressed since my blog, and so I give you a quick look around. So the first thing we're going to notice is that my booth actually goes in a loop, which is intended for people to be able to shop from multiple different directions, and then once they get in the loop, they have to complete the loop to get out, which kind of just gives them more opportunity to see my products. And each stand, and I think I've shown you guys these before, these shelves here fold up and the edges fold in. So these are just folding plant stands that I have for most of the booth, and I've done it all by color. This stand here I put together with Allen keys. You can get it on Amazon. I will give you a link for it. So there's multiple wood shelves here. Sorry, this isn't the wood one. This is the metal one. I have the wood one at home, but it's the same stand, and you can get this one on Amazon. In the back, I just have what's called a backdrop stand, which you can buy for photography. And as you can see, it's just on tripods. And then this just gives me some extra hanging space at the back of my booth. It's a little saggy this morning, so I'll have to prop that up, but just trying to get this video done before all the shoppers come in. And then here's the Christmas items getting started here, and we're walking in the loop. So there was the stand that was in the middle of the booth, and here's the back end of the booth. So like I said, I'm trying to do everything by colors and items. So this is Christmas dish towels, and I've got Christmas table runners, and then the Unique and the Creek templates are what I use to make my Christmas tree wreaths, and I will put a link in here on the video for you. Here's my sign, and of course more Christmas stuff here. We've got our farmhouse rugs, and for these markets I also bring my ladders that my husband built for me. So that's a single ladder in the back. And now we're moving on to our bins, where we've got every color imaginable. Let's clean that up while I'm here. Of farmhouse dish towel or dishcloths. And then there's that South by Southwest collection that was so popular last year. This is the end of it. So what you see is what you get there, guys. And here we've got rug after rug after rug. I think I came into this market with about 60 of these. And if you're wanting to make your own farmhouse rug, you can watch the jelly roll rug or farmhouse rug tutorial. Watch the first video where I walk you through the supplies, and then I have another video where you can actually see me make it from start to finish. So here's some more colors here. We're back now into the camping section, and got some of this bowler fabric still left. Again, that's the end of it, so maybe by next year I won't be selling the bowler fabric anymore. It's been here for a while. I bought so much of it. All right, we've just got another bin there on the floor of pillows. And then we've got over in this section, the retro red trailer section. And this red and black tartan called the Newfoundland tuxedo. Okay, so there's the loop around the booth. Now I'm just gonna show you the center. I've just got another folding plant stand, so that's what this shelving unit is. Here's the mandala patterns. You can purchase my patterns on my website or on Etsy, and then go ahead and watch the tutorial. I walk you through all of the instructions right from the supplies used to the final assembly. And then I haven't shown you guys this before because I only make them for Christmas markets, but here's my scented rice bags. I make rice because they're for celiacs can use rice instead of wheat. And there's a nice double ladder there. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom out of the booth now, and I'm just gonna give you an overview here of the booth for a second and just stand still so you can take it all in of where I went. And then as I pan to the right hand side, you can see that I'm using all of the area that I can that's visible to the public. And then I've got a checkout stand here set up with a cash box, calculator, etc. And behind this, I actually have a little workstation set up. So this is where I'll be assembling my Christmas wreaths today. And even along the back, you can see that I've got hooks and everything for the bags set up, and bags of supplies. And then this last thing here, this is super handy if you guys are doing Christmas markets and you're looking for power on the go. This is called a Jackery. You can get it on Amazon as well. I'll put a link in there for you. So basically when you stand back, you can see the whole view of the booth. I know it's a little shaky because I'm just walking around today. But this is what a customer will see from way back where. There you go. That's how I'm set up. All right, so I'll write a blog post on this and I will link all the products that I use to set up the booth, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.